Fast Loan Advance. Need cash fast, get quick, hassle-free loans with no hidden fees. Whether it's an unexpected expense or an urgent bill, our Fast Loan Advances offer you the funds you need in record time. Apply now and experience a smooth, transparent process with flexible payment options. Don't let financial stress hold you back. Get the support you need today. So hey guys, and welcome to this video where I'll show you how you can loan money on Fast Loan Advance. So what is Fast Loan Advance? A Fast Loan Advance design is designed to provide immediate financial relief for urgent needs. It offers quick access to funds with a streamlined application process, often without lengthy paperwork, ideal for unexpected expenses for or emergencies. These loans come with flexible terms and fast approval, helping you address urgent financial needs efficiently. So, first of all you have to do is open your web browser and dive into Fast Loan Advance. As you can see, we have here various information about Fast Loan Advance. The first website show that it's ready. As you can see, you can just click over it and learn more information about Fast Loan Advance. Then we have Outlook here. As you can see, also we have bad credit, and we have here the homepage of Fast Loan Advance. This is it. So we have here various things that you have to write it, like would you also consider a low amount? So you click by yes or no. You sell your phone number, your email address, and the loan purpose also. Then we have here how much do you need. So you choose the price like 200 with between 200 and 500, and between 500 and 1000, and between 1000 and 2500, between 2500 and 5000, as you can see. And then we can just write your personal information and you take your loan. So right now I will show you how it works with Fast Loan Advance. So the first things you have to know is the steps. So the first steps is assess your need, determine how much money you need and for what purpose. This will help you choose the right loan amount and type. Then we have research lenders, find reputable lenders that offer fast loan advances. Compare interest rates, fees, and terms to find the best option for you. Then apply online or in person. Complete the application process. You'll usually need to provide personal information, proof of income, and details about your financial situation. Some lenders allow you to apply online to quicker processing. Then we have review terms. Carefully read the loan agreement, including interest rates, repayment terms, and any fees. Make sure you understand the total cost of the loan and the repayment schedule. Then we have receive funds. If approved, you will receive the funds quickly, often within 24 hours. The money is usually deposited directly into your bank account. Then we have repay the loan. Follow the repayment schedule outlined in your agreement. Make payments on time to avoid penalties and maintain a good credit history. Then we have monitor your finances. After receiving the loan, keep track of your spending and the financial situation to ensure you can manage your payments without additional strain. By following these steps, you can effectively use a fast loan advance to address your immediate financial needs. So right now I will give you some key benefits of a fast loan advance. So the first thing is quick access to funds. Fast loan advances provide rapid access to money, often within 24 hours, which is ideal for urgent financial needs or emergencies. Simple also application process. The application process is usually straightforward and may be completed online, saving time and reducing paperwork. Then we have flexibility. Many fast loans offer flexible repayment terms and amounts, allowing you to choose options that fit your financial situation. Then we have no collateral required. Often these loans are unsecured, meaning you don't need to provide collateral to get approved. Then we have convenience. Funds are typically deposited directly into your bank account, making it easy to access and use the money. Then we have credit building opportunities. If you make timely payments, it can positively impact your credit score, demonstrating responsible borrowing behavior. Then we have transparent terms. Many lenders provide clear and upfront information about interest rates, fees, and repayment terms, helping you make informed decisions. Then we have immediate relief. Fast loans can help you address urgent financial issues such as medical expenses, car repairs, or unexpected bills, providing immediate relief and peace of mind. So that's it for the benefits, as you can see. Then I will show you how I will give you some advices, sorry, about how you can manage it effectively. We have the first advice, it's understand your teams. Also, we have here various information about fast loan advance and outlook here and back credit here. As you can see, you can just read it to more understand. So right now I'll give you some advices. So the first one is only borrow what you need. Borrow only the amount necessary to cover your immediate expense. Over borrowing can lead to high repayment amounts and financial strain. Then we have understand the terms, carefully review the loan terms, including interest rates, fees, and repayment schedule. Ensure you understand the total cost of the loan and any potential penalties for late payments. And we have plan for repayment. Develop a clear plan for how you will repay the loan, budget for monthly payments, and ensure you have to meet them without compromising your essential expenses. Then we have avoid multiple loans. Try to avoid taking out multiple fast loans at once, as this can lead to financial trouble and difficulty managing repayments. Then we have check your credit. Review your credit report before applying for a loan. A good credit score can help you secure better terms and lower interest rates. Then we have consider alternative if possible. Explore other financing options such as personal savings, borrowing from friends or family, or other types of credit with better terms. Then we have keep track of spending, use the funds wisely, stick to your budget, and avoid unnecessary expenditures to ensure you can comfortably repay the loan. Then we have be cautious with lenders, choose reputable lenders, and avoid those with hidden fees or predatory practices. Verify their legitimacy and read customer reviews if available. Then we have monitor your financial health. Regularly review your financial situation and loan status to stay on top of your obligations and make adjustments if needed. Then we have the last one, it's plan of emergencies. If you frequently find yourself in need of fast loans, consider setting up an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses in the future. By following these tips, you can use a fast loan advance more effectively and avoid potential pitfalls. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.